Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Quick Course Academy, Crash Course for Competitive Exams. Which Olympic sport takes place in a velodrome? And the answer is cycling. Which joint connects the foot to the leg? And the answer is ankle. Prior to joining the euro, what was the currency of Spain? And the answer is Peseta. RI are the initials of which American state? And the answer is Rhode Island. The guilder was the former currency of which European country? And the answer is the Netherlands. Which of tennis four major championships is played on clay? And the answer is French Open. Which European capital city is known in its native language as Prague? And the answer is Prague. Which northern English city was known in Roman times as Deva? And the answer is Chester. Which outdoor sport is played at Lord's? And the answer is cricket. In terms of area, what is the largest country in South America? And the answer is Brazil. What does the MI in M16 stands for? And the answer is military intelligence. What does GPS stands for? And the answer is Global Positioning System. In 1983, Microsoft announced the first release of which cornerstone product? And the answer is Windows. Where are we most likely to encounter the skin irritant capsaicin? And the answer is in the seeds of chili peppers. For what is Sheikh Mansour bin Zayed Al Nahyan best known in UK? And the answer is the owner of Manchester City. What are the Moai? And the answer is giant-headed statues on Easter Island. What sort of creature is a dingo? And the answer is a wild dog? Which country is the Taj Mahal? And the answer is India. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? And the answer is Neil Armstrong. Watch our other videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment. We will answer it in next Q&A video. Please support us. Like, share, comment, subscribe and press the bell icon.